Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change your multi-straw coil wig from this to this classy, more beautiful wig. So guys, if you want to see how it's achieved, keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to change my multi-straw coil wig from this to more beautiful classy wig you just saw at the beginning of the video. So guys, this straw coil wig is up on this channel. If you have not seen the video, I'll be linking it up on the description box for you guys. So if you want to see the making of it, check the description box. So guys, let's do this. All you need to do is get yourself a beard brush. That is what we are going to be using for this. And make sure you pin the wig very well on the dummy. Pin it in a way that it will not pull out while you are brushing it. Then after that, use the brush to brush the coils out. You can brush left, right, backward or frontward. As you are brushing, use your hands to pick as well, because there are some parts that the brush cannot get very well. So you use your hand to pick those parts. Then I advise you brush portion by portion. Don't start brushing everything at once. brush it gradually so that you get a very neat work. This is all you need to do. Anywhere that you find that is weak, use your needle and thread to sew it. Then after that, after the brushing, you use any of the spray gel that you have to spray on it. Then any of the oil sheen of your choice as well. That is all you need for this week. I don't want to talk much. I'm going to allow you guys to enjoy the rest of this tutorial. Please do watch from the beginning to the end so that you won't miss out on any part of the tutorial. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Invite your friends as well. New subs, you are welcome. In case today is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Eukaria, YouTube name Black and Shine. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on hair, gele, wig, makeup, and many other interesting videos you can find in this channel. Do subscribe if you have not subscribed. And when you do, remember to click on the notification bell because that is the only way you will get notification whenever I drop a new video. So guys, remember to share this video with others. Give me a big thumbs up and drop a comment for me on the comment section below. I'll be glad to reply to your comments. Thank you guys. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.